Pew! Trusty DeWalt, 4.5 amp. So we got her smooth. And all that's doing is making it so we have a nice surface to put the next pass in. And some of you people that actually know how to weld are gonna say, hey, you suck at welding, why are you even bothering with that? Well, this is a nice focus. Big 1960 Fordson, I don't know, 52 horsepower pile of jerry rig crap. So what we want to do is keep pulling stumps out of my property and not have to worry about doing more weld repairs on my backhoe. So what I'm doing is trying to make sure this is solid. And some of you might say, hey, it ain't fusing the bottom. I know. So when I grind the bottom out, I'm going to grind into the bottom of this. And then when that gets ground out, I'll weld into the bottom of that, grind it smooth, make sure that we're penetrated all the way through. I'm going to have a problem because I'm not doing a backing bar all the way across here. So I'm going to grind that out as little as possible and bridge the gap and open root it. It's going to suck, but it'll work. More passes. Yay, garbage. So I'm not going to clean this one. I ran one bead up. Ran one bead up the left side. Focus. Focus. So now I'm going to run one up the right side, and then we're going to smooth her out. So let's try that. Focus. I don't know why that's doing that. And yeah, I should probably wire brush it and clean it. As I'm sitting here saying, grind out in between passes and stress, and I'm not snipping my wire either. So, sanding it. Ah, the old Harbor Freight rigs are running a little weak. But, hey. I don't know how to make this thing autofocus. We're going to try again. We're getting there. A couple more passes, we'll grind her smooth. I don't know what to do with this lump. It's wild. I'm going to fix this autofocus. I'll get back to you. Okay, I found action mode. That might give me some action. I ground all that crap out. Don't mind the weave pattern in there, little bead pattern marks. Let me get my angle grinder. Oops, camera holder. This is high quality recording, but it's also low quality weld repair that you can do with your Harbor Freight welder on your 65-year-old tractor that you bought for under $4 grand. So we're going to pull it on the left. I don't know what happened there. Stop lighting on fire. And then I'm going to put one in the middle. I would typically put one over here and then root the middle, but I got a pretty steep entrance angle on the middle here. So if I run up the middle here, And then I have kind of an open bevel here. I won't trap myself and weld into nothing. Air. Also snip your wire, kids. Oop. See, when you go up too high, you start burning through the backing bar. It has nothing behind it. That's okay though, because look what we did. We didn't trap ourselves. One more beat up the side there. We'll smooth her out. I'm probably gonna need to put a cover pass on it to make sure I get enough meat to make sure to, you know, blend her out so I can actually smooth it out and make it look like we didn't do anything here. That's gonna be a whole nother thing though. I might be running out of gas. I want my gas to go out. Yeah. Or I'm just burning into hot garbage. Alright, we're gonna grind this out. See what she does. Yep. See you in a minute. Welder. Oh, it's gonna be so fun to fix. I'm dumb.